What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a real simple DIY. I'm doing this on my wife's 2011 Cadillac SRX, but it's basically going to be the same on any car you find. Replacing the windshield washer nozzle. So the hose at the bottom of this thing is snapped. Basically, this is a genuine Cadillac part I'm replacing it with. Just went with it because it was actually the most affordable option. Ordered at rockauto.com. I'll include a link to the exact same part that I ordered in the description. So basically, I don't know if you can see from there, but if not, I'll show a close-up, that this part right here, it's basically two parts. And this might be a little different from the one it's replacing, but basically the white part broke from the black part. And so the solution is to replace the whole thing. So this white part broke off in the hose, and I have to get it out. And this black part is in the hood. I have to get that out, and then just put this in and hook it all up. So let's get right into it. So this is where you can see right here, this is where the windshield washer fluid comes in. It runs under this panel here that basically protects the hood from the heat. And then you have your two spots on the top. So this panel is just held in by itself, is held in right here. You just can pull that out. And then there's a clip right here. Just pull that out. Looks like this right here. And you can see right here now, this is the broken part, and this is the part inside the hood still. And we're gonna get this out, this out. So here you can see the two pieces, the broken piece here on the left broke off right here where the two pieces connect. And then here's the new piece, which is just gonna pop right down in there. These clips are gonna hold it in, just like the old one. And it'll force the hose right back over this, just like the old one, and everything will be good to go. Alright guys, so in conclusion, that's how you change the windshield washer nozzle. It's going to be basically the same on any car. There may be some minor differences here and there, but it's basically going to be the exact same process. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.